Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's episode we shall discuss about cell cycle and cell division. Most of the topics of second PUC in CRT are all dependent on the concept cell division. So it is a very important topic for both NEET as well as for board syllabus. So first we will know what a cell cycle is. Cell cycle is the sequence of events that takes place during the cell division. What it is? The sequence of events takes place during cell division or taking place during cell division is called as cell cycle. So what are those steps that takes place during the cell cycle? First we shall know there is interphase and we have M phase or mitotic phase. These are the two main stages of cell cycle. The first one is interphase and next one is mitotic phase. Interphase is also called as a preparatory phase. Why? Because all the necessary chemicals, enzymes and organelles which help for cell division, those duplicate or the synthesis of those chemicals takes place during interphase stage. So interphase is also called as a preparatory phase. This interphase, it is divided into three sub stages. The first one is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. G1 is also called as gap 1 phase, S is called as a synthetic phase, G2 is called as gap 2 phase. G1 phase, during G1 phase, all the necessary chemicals or the enzymes which are required for the synthesis of DNA and centrioles, the preparation of those things will take place during G1 phase. All the necessary chemicals or the enzymes and organelles which help during the synthetic phase, those duplicate or synthesize during G1 phase. During synthetic phase, duplication of DNA takes place. During synthetic phase, duplication of DNA and duplication of centrioles takes place. Duplication of centrioles takes place. And G2, in the gap 2 phase, all the necessary enzymes or the chemicals and also organelles which are useful for mitotic phase, those things will get accumulated during gap 2 phase. This is about interphase. After completion of the interphase, cell enters into the next phase. We call it as M phase or mitotic phase. M phase or mitotic phase. So this mitotic phase is again subdivided into two sub stages. One is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis. Karyon is a division of a nucleus. Karyon is nucleus. Kinesis is the division. Division of nucleus takes place during karyokinesis, and division of cytoplasm that takes place during cytokinesis. This karyokinesis is again subdivided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Subdivided into four sub stages. The first one is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So after completion of the telophase, cell enters into cytokinesis, and here division of cytoplasm takes place, and hence now the cell cycle is complete. Cell cycle is complete. After completion of the cytokinesis, the new daughter cells which are formed, they may enter into the next stage, or the cycle may repeat, they enter into interphase, again M phase, or some cells enter into a special stage called as Z0 phase or quiescent stage, during which the cell division is arrested. The cells which are present in G0 stage, they are get arrested in G0 stage. The cell remains dormant. Cell remains dormant. It will be having life, but it will not undergo any type of cell division. Whenever we get hurt, whenever a new cells has to be replaced under such extreme conditions, the cells which are present in G0 phase, they come and they occupy that part and start to enter into the cell cycle. So this is called as G0 phase. This is a brief introduction about cell cycle. So cell cycle is the sequence of events that taking place during cell division is called as cell cycle. It is divided into two substages, broadly divided into two substages, interphase and M phase. Interphase, it is again subdivided into G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase, or interphase is also called as preparatory phase. Next one is M phase or mitotic phase, during which division of a nucleus takes place. It is divided in two substages, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus, cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, and next the cell may enter into G0 phase or it may come to the interphase. Okay, so when we consider a time, if the cell division takes place for 24 hours, one cell division may takes place for 24 hours, 95% of the time is consumed by the interphase stage and only 5% of the time is consumed for M phase. So the preparatory phase or the interphase takes more time.